Hello friend, how are you today? Today I will unboxing a new toys. This is about animal. Animal, we got so many animal in here. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's open the packing. Okay. Okay, Ron. Please open one by one and show your toys to your friend in the video. Okay. Number one is wow, no. Wow. No, this is no duck. This is goose.
Wow.
Goose, yes. Goose or angsa. Oh, this is goose or angsa. Or another country call is swan. Swan and goose and duck. Another, that's a family. Wow. And the voice like that, okay? Do you want to hear the voice of goose? Like that, the voice. Okay, the next is horse. Yes, horse is the fastest running in the world. Oh, this is the animal for fastest running. He can run fastest like a car, like a motorcycle. And another competitor is cheetah. This is the faster runner. Oh, this is horse. The color is brown. Yeah. Okay, the next is yeah. This is the God. God me. He live in universal country. Yes, another country have in Asia, in Europe, in Middle East, Africa, USA, South America, Brazil. Yeah. Also have the God. The God also have the milk in here. Usually drink milk.
So funny.
It's a funny animal. Okay, the next is
Cow.
wow. This is
White
like a
duck.
duck, but this is no duck. This is a domestic goose. Domestic duck. White goose. Goose or and this one is swan. This is goose. Oh, same. And same family like chicken. Yes, that's the family with chicken. Yes. Wow, very cute. You know. Okay. The next is wow. This is the cow. This is name is Frisian cow. But this is a female cow. He have milk. You eat? Do you like drink milk, Aaron?
Like?
Like very like. In the morning, usually we drink milk. For milk like this from this cow, Frisian cow. This is female cow. Okay. The next is
Chicken.
wow. This is chicken. You know what's this? This is chicken, hen or rooster?
Rooster.
Huh?
Rooster.
Rooster or hen?
Rooster.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes.
Because rooster have a crown in his head.
Oh, she has.
This one. Very very cute. Rooster. The voice like that. Okay, rooster. Hi, rooster. Okay, the next is and the last is rabbit. Yay, rabbit. Wow, very very cute. The color is white and the ear is pink. He fastest running. He's running like jumping like a kangaroo. He very like to dig hole for whom he can hide in the under the soil. This is very very fast for running. Wow, like that. This is a
So cute.
so cute rabbit. Okay, so we got new toys. Let's arrange and take the picture. How many we have new animal toys? Wow, 7. No. Okay, and this one. Oh, sorry. Like that. Wow. We got rabbit, Frisian cow, rooster, goat, goose,
Goose.
horse, and the swan. This is swan. Okay, friend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I hope you enjoy. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. I love you.